Well, ho, 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 hello there. We're going to let the festivities begin. Now, where's the pussycat at, Marilyn? Of course, I shouldn't go looking for her. Should try to stay away as much as I can. Now, all different colors. Try to keep with white. Uh-oh. Where did it go? There's that baby girl. There's that baby girl. These are blue. Blue. Do you remember this, baby? Do you remember when you were a little baby? Remember when you were a little girl? These are yellows. When you were a little girl, you used to play with this. And these are. And you got to remember, you're a bigger pussycat now. You might break the tree over. This one's got a ball buns. Oh. Oh, you got it off already. Uh-oh. This one is yellow. What's the size of those? I think it must be yellow. Here, now you can't be doing that. I'm going to call it yellow. This one got no freaking color on it. Blackjack. Here's top. And this one's black. Okay, take that out of here. Okay. Found the rest of it. Marilyn found the rest of it. I wonder who took this off. I wonder who would have chewed that long blanket. Look, what are you doing up with the cat? How's this going to go? Nothing goes in that one. Now it's time to try and do this. Pretty. I have one of my wireless microphones. That's what we're using here right now. I had it sitting up on the table in the breakfast nook. And Marilyn came in there to me a little while ago and she said, why did you have this on the kitchen floor? Someone decided to pick it up in her mouth, jump down off the table with it, and go batting it around in the kitchen floor. I don't know why Marilyn wanted to do something like that, but she blamed it on the cat. Yeah, I would say the biggest ones was on the bottom. So, okay, that's what I got to do to every other branch. So rather than you watching me do that, I'm going to stop this. Turn it on again later. Well, that's the Christmas tree put together. I forget when I started. It's 5 to 2 now. Let's call it 2 o'clock. Gotta be around 12:30, I think. Not sure. Don't know if the time is on that thing or not. But I had to, each branch I had to individually do out like you seen there in the first one. And then drop them in. So now, I just gotta stand back here or there and take a look and see what's in line and what's not. Trim her up. And start hanging the rest of the, not the rest of the, but all of the, yes, lights go first, right? Lights and then the bulbs and so on and so forth. But that might not be today, because I'm going right now, I'm going to go snookering. Okay. We're getting checked out here now by the booty cat. All right, baby booty cat, what do you think, baby girl? What do you think? What you thinking? Let's see now how much fun it's going to be fucking with these lights. Let's turn this Wi-Fi switch on. Oh yeah. These are for the Christmas tree, right? This cat ain't too interested. She came out. She was there in the beginning, and she was out sleeping on the couch in the snooker room. After I was all done, I was looking for her. And that's where her was. And she followed me back in. Took a look. Well. That string's about 25 feet long. Alexa, turn off Mojo room light. Okay. Hey, good for you. I renamed it. Alexa, turn on Mojo's room light. Okay. Thank you. You can take the rest of the day off now. Weights down across the floor already. What are you doing now? Hey, 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 hey! My God, Marilyn, I'm taking them off as fast as I can put them on.